Okay, 5th grade, let's try number 2. Copy down 2 1/4 plus 8 2/3. Back to our basic mixed number problem. Nothing new here. Can we add 1/4 and 2/3? No, because we need a common denominator. What is the LCD of 4 and 3? 12. Good. So we're going to change everything now to 12s. Okay, so 4 times what gives me 12? 3. Good. And 1 times 3 gives us what? 3. Excellent. 3 times what gives me 12? Times 4. 2 times 4 gives us what? 8. Okay, now we have our common denominators. Now we can add our fractions. We're going to add the numerators. 3 plus 8 gives us what? 11 over 12. And 2 plus 8 gives me what? 10. So now we have 10 and 11 twelfths. Can we simplify 11 twelfths any further? Nope. So our final answer is 10 and 11 twelfths. Nothing really new. Same process that we've been working on. All right, let's try number 3. 6 7 25ths. Take away 3 9 50ths. Can we do and subtract 7 25ths from 9 50ths? Not at this point. We need a common what? Denominator. Good. What is the LCD between 25 and 50? 50. Good. So we're going to change this to something out of 50. 25 times what gives us 50? 2. Good job. 7 times 2 gives us what? 14. Okay. What happens with the 3 and 9 50ths? Good. It stays the same. So we're going to just subtract it because they already have 50ths. Okay. Now we can go ahead and move to our next step, which is going to be to subtract the fractions. We have a common denominator. So now I take my numerators and I subtract 14 take away 9 gives us what? 5 over 50. And 6 take away 3 gives us what? 3. So now I have 3 and 5 50ths. Am I done? No. What do I need to do? Simplify. Good. How can I simplify 5 50ths? What can I divide top and bottom by? 5. Good. What's 5 divided by 5? 1. And 50 divided by 5 is 10. So your final answer is going to be 3 1/10. All right. Good job, 5th grade. If you have any questions, now would be a good time to put them down for numbers 1 through 3 for these examples. All right. Now we're going to move on to our next step. It says for 4 through 7, simplify each expression. You will see here now in numbers 4 through 7 that they are using parentheses. Remember earlier I noted that whenever you have parentheses, you need to do what's inside the parentheses first. So get copied down 12 1/6, take away 6 5 twelfths, plus 1 1/4. So you will see here that I wrote 12 1/6, take away 6 5 twelfths first because it is inside the parentheses. Okay, so now we do our normal stuff. Can I do 1/6, take away 5 twelfths? No, I need a common denominator. Common denominator of 6 and 12 is what? 12. Okay, so I need to change my 6 here to 12s. 6 times what gives me 12? 2. 1 times 2 gives me 2. So now I have 12 and 2 twelfths. Take away, this is 12, so I do not need to change anything. Take away 6 and 5 twelfths, so you can just recopy that. Okay, now to our next step. Now we can subtract the fractions. 2 take away 5. Can I do that? No, there's not enough, so I need more what? 12ths. So down here on the side, I'm going to take 12 and 2 twelfths, and I'm going to borrow. Okay, the 12 is going to become a what? 11, good, and that 11, the one that we borrow becomes 12 over 12, plus the 2 twelfths that I already have to get me 14 twelfths. Okay, so now my new number is 11 and 14 twelfths, take away 6 and 5 twelfths. Okay, so now we have a common denominator, and now we can go ahead and subtract our numerators. 14 take away 5 gives us what? 9 twelfths. 11 take away 6 gives us what? 5. So now we have 5 and 9 twelfths. Are we finished? Okay, no we're not. We need to go now and take the 5 and 9 twelfths and add the 1 and what? 1/4. So we can put it underneath here, or you can write a whole nother separate problem, whatever is best for you. Okay, so now we're going to take that 5 and 9 twelfths and add the 1 and 1/4. Okay, can I add the fractions that are here? No, I need common denominator. Common denominator, LCD, 12 and 4 is what? 12. Good. So now let's change these so that they both have 12s. 5 and 9, 12 stays the same. 1 and 1/4 then changes to what? This comes 12. 4 times what gives me 12? Times it by 3. 1 times 3 gives me 3. Now I can subtract. What is 9 take away 3? 6 12s. 5 take away 1, 4. And now I need to simplify. How can I simplify 6 12ths? Good. Divide top and bottom by 6. So 4 stays the same. 6 divided by 6 gives me 1. And 12 divided by 6 gives me 2. So my final answer is 4 1/2.